Hi friends, I'm here with my DW705 and I'm in the process of replacing the power cable. It's got some, I bought it used, it's got some wear spots on it, and so I just thought I'd kind of give you an inside look as to how to do this. Bought this replacement cable set. Comes with the strain relief boot and nice quality cable, and the plug is very similar to the original. So anyway, basically the process, got 3 different size Torx bits. I think, what was the largest? Largest was 25, then there was a 20, and then a 15. So 25 was the handle on top, 20 were all of these screws here in the housing, and then the strain relief were 15s, I believe, and same with the little cable clamp connector over here on the side. So anyway, I'm going to pause it and kind of reconnect all of this stuff, redo these connections, and I'll come back and show you when it's done. So just a little insertion here. First step was to match up the wire lengths. Now I'm gonna strip these and add the connections, add my little spade connector on the end here. So basically just did it all with the Knipex. Works really well for stripping off that sheathing and then getting in there and doing the stripping of the wires. So there you go. That's the next step. One thing as you're doing that, just make sure you have the boot slid over the wire before you put the pieces back together. One thing I was surprised about on the Dewalt side was some of these wires were, when it was assembled, and I don't think anybody's been in here before, these were kind of pinched in spots. They just kind of were put together hastily, but yeah, it just didn't seem like a very Dewalt kind of thing to do. So anyway, just getting these fed into these little channels here so this doesn't happen again, or the pinching doesn't happen because of something I've done. So just trying to feed these in here best way possible, get them between all of the pieces here, and then I'm gonna install this strain relief. Sorry, trying to do this one-handed. I didn't break out the tripod for this. This was kind of impromptu. I was not planning on filming this, but I thought, you know what, this might be helpful. So someone's got one of these guys that they're gonna have to replace. All right, well, there you go. I'm gonna tighten that up. I will report back when it's all back together. But as you can see, just running it through these little channels here, make sure it's not underneath any of the pinch points. That's why they have these slots, which is why they should have used their own slots when they put it together in the first place. And just double checking connections too for the trigger. So, all right, be back in a minute. All right, now I'm just popping all these back on there. Gently, not. All right. That's all solid. And then this handle just goes over the top there. It's symmetrical, so. And these are the larger screws. So, all right. Sorry, camera work is lots of fun today. All right. Well, I think that's about it. Just gonna attach that cable clamp, and we're good to go. So, piece of cake. It was really easy. Probably took me all of 10 minutes, including trying to film this thing in a terrible way. But hope that helps. Take care.